Now on this third one, it's the fastest way to do it, but it's only worked for me a couple times. So we're gonna leave our door open, just like this. Door's open. I'm gonna put my key in the ignition. You should hear some rapid dings. I'm gonna give that about 5 seconds. After that, I'm gonna turn my key. Should have slow dings. Then all my lights should go off mostly, just like that. And after that, we're gonna start it up. So we have our door open, put the key in, rapid dings, about 5 seconds. Turn to the on, slow dings, wait for everything to kind of go out. Goes out, start the car. And that's it.